Hi, y'all. Oh Lord, I got that haircut, good feeling. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. Feel me? Nah, listen, man. I'm here to talk to y'all once again about the stock market. I don't care. I gotta keep on sending these messages out because if you're not owning assets, then what are you doing? Okay? Now, the reason why I want to talk to y'all about this today is because number one, I'm hyped. I'm amped up, right? I just had my highest profitable day since I started investing. And I started investing back in April of 2022 for those that's new to my channel. Now, I'm still, you feel me? I'm still a rookie, I guess you could say that. I'm constantly learning every day. I'm constantly doing my research. I study the stock market consistently. That's just what I do. I personally learn to love it because I love to learn, you know, and learning never stops. Even after you graduate high school, college, whatever, it don't stop, all right? Now, I'm gonna, show y'all right here. I had my first ever $300 day. But I don't, for me, it's let's go, because I had this written down long ago, you know? For somebody else, it may be like, oh, that's not a lot of money, whatever, that's your perception, I don't care. But for myself, it lit another fire in me, you know? A lot of people feel like they can't be profitable in the stock market or in the Forex market, but I'm here to tell you that you can, all right? The first thing you gotta know is that you have to have a better relationship with yourself. Okay? When you learn how to grow that relationship with yourself, and of course with the Most High God, the creator of all, you will consciously learn how to have a better relationship with money. When I tell y'all that this world is programmed to look at money in a negative way, they will never see the real importance of it. Okay? Yes, bruh, we work these jobs. We gotta make the money. We gotta take care of our bills. We gotta take care of ourselves. That's a necessity. You also have to learn that in order for me to build some type of financial wealth for myself, right? I need to own some type of assets. What is an asset? An asset is something that puts money in your pocket. What is a liability? A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. Okay? So some people got addictions, that's liabilities. How many people y'all know play the lotto every day? I'll wait. How many people you know indulge into, what's today? Today Friday, right? Happy Friday, y'all. How many people you know about to go out to the clubs? They about to go to the bar with their friends. How many people y'all know do those things? Those are liabilities. That's why they created in the Matrix. It's to take you off the focus of your financial well-being. Like I tell y'all all the time, nobody's gonna care about your financial well-being more than you do. And I will tell y'all this, and I don't care who you are. If you're on YouTube and you have that ability to learn how to talk about money, there is nothing wrong with that. We got people that be envy and jealous of other people's success. That's never gonna make you successful. I don't care who you are, right? Somebody else's success does not take away from yours. Learn how to be happy for people. It may happen to you. I'm just saying. Alright? Now, like I said, you have to learn how to own assets. The reason why my portfolio hit 300 today is because, let's keep it real. Yesterday, I was down like 230, right? A couple stocks took a hit. Apple took a hit. Amazon took a hit. They was getting knocked out, feel me? They had their earnings. Now, if you know, when earnings come out, you might want to play it, you might not. Now, I'm not a what they say, like I don't buy contracts, right? I'm a buy and hold investor. That's just me. Whatever you do, that's what you do, right? But for me, I buy and I hold. This is for my long-term future, right? So Amazon, crushed their earnings. Knocked it out the park. Feel me? And stock went up overnight like $11, $12. Now currently, at the making of this video, I have 21 shares in Amazon, right? Am I gonna get more? Of course. Duh. You feel me? Apple had earnings. Apple did okay on their earnings, right? But the stock went down like a couple dollars, like $3. Woo! Now, for me personally, when I see a stock go down, I'm like, that's a discount. When I see the stock market in the red, I'm telling myself, buy more stocks. I'm telling the chat, I'm in a couple chats, Telegram chat, Discord chat, buy more. Because eventually it has to go back up, you know? But this is how I be reprogramming my mind. Because some people will see red in their portfolio and they automatically get scared. Why? Because you're programmed to think that I'm losing my money. No, you don't lose any type of money until you sell at a loss. Besides that, it's just your portfolio fluctuating. This is why as a trader or as an investor, you have to have a strong psychology. Investing is basically, you gotta make sure you got the income, right? And then you have to make sure you have a strong mindset. When people say you need to have a stronger mindset with money, that is facts. Because what the Matrix wants to try to keep you doing is just consuming. Let me just consume all fucking day, right? Let me just buy stuff that I don't need. Let me try to get fly to try to impress a whole bunch of strangers that they're not even gonna care if I ate today. They're not gonna care. They're not gonna care if your rent is due in 2 weeks and your rent is due next week or your phone bill is due next week, but you wanna go try to buy something to try to impress them. Bro, you gotta learn that impressing people don't matter. You need to validate yourself. You need to be okay with what you have. You need to learn how to be content with yourself and learn that, bruh, what's important to me is my connection with the source, my connection with the Most High God, the Creator, or my connection with my higher self. Your higher self does not care about validation. Okay? Your higher self just wants you to love yourself unconditionally. Learn that. You know what I'm saying? And then learn the skill that's gonna pay you even when you're not physically working. And y'all seen what I've been going through, bruh. This is another reason why I'm hyped for this day, because y'all seen this. I took the driver's test twice for the USPS and I messed up the second time. The first time it was my fault. I was already mad, whatever. The second time, towards the end of the test, I messed up and I'm like, fuck! Like I was mad at myself, and I don't mean to cuss, my apologies, y'all. But I was mad at myself and I'm like, dang, like I had it. It was right there. So I have to wait. I reapplied already. I already put my application in. I even applied for another position, but now I'm still doing my Uber Eats part. But this is another thing. I'm like, bro, we just got to keep staying resilient. We just got to keep pushing. We just got to keep going. We got to keep on putting out these videos. You feel me? We got to keep on retaining. Look, today, 1st of November, No Nut November. Shout out to everybody. We starting the month off strong. So, I really be asking God, like, yo, God, what are you trying to teach me? What are you trying to show me? Because I feel internally God is like, keep talking about the stock market because people need the messages. The same way I keep talking about being on retention is because y'all need the messages. If I can see that it's making a change for me, I know it can make a change for y'all. But it's up to you to realize that. You understand what I'm saying? This made me very, very like proud of myself, bruh. Because I've been putting the money into the market that the average person will spend it on stupid stuff. I don't care to, like I said, to try to impress a whole bunch of random ass people. I don't care. I care about making sure I'm good, my family is good, my lady is good, and I'm going after the version of myself that I want to be. And that requires discipline. That requires patience. That requires you to enjoy the journey. You understand what I'm saying? So, Y'all need to own assets, bro. I don't care, bro. I don't want to hear that. I don't have the money to do it. Yes, you do. The more that you tell yourself you don't have the money to do it, the more you're not even gonna take the chance to do it. It don't take much. Even if you put up $10 a day, let's just say, and that's how I started, and that's what I continuously do. 10, 20. It depends how much I be making from Uber Eats, right? I still gotta take care of my rent, all that. That's my full-time income. I keep it real with y'all. Cause I keep it real with myself. You feel me? As long as you put up something, that is better than zero. Because the savings account brings you no interest. Yes, build a savings. I'm not here to tell you I don't save your money. Build a savings. You understand what I'm saying? Also build a portfolio. Because the portfolio is gonna show you how money works in real time. It's gonna show you how your money can work for you. But so many people doubt themselves, they don't even try. And that's not fair to you, alright? So give today's video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you are new, leave your comments below. Buy some assets, man. Discord chat, Telegram chat, it's in the pinned comment below. And I'll be back at it with some more content. Man, y'all see it? Yo, look, nah, let me stop. But I'll be back at it with some more videos for y'all, man. It's your boy Thomas Carter, TC Talk, TC Fitness. Yes, sir. Let's go, y'all.